Hi, I'm Dale of MDMD Reviews, and today I want to do a unboxing video and a review of the Zealsound K66B. Now, disclaimer, I'm about to show you a video of the unboxing, and I did want to say that, of course, I can't be unboxing using the same microphone, but what I did was I used, last year, I bought the Zealsound K66, so I was using that microphone during the unboxing, and just to show you, I'll show you right here. Can you get it in the camera? There you go. It's basically the same microphone. I think maybe this one probably is that they might have added a little bit more specs to this one, but it's also blue. It's not black. So I just wanted to use a disclaimer that during the unboxing video, I was using the Zealsound, but I wasn't using this one. I was unboxing it, of course, so I couldn't use this one and use it to talk while I'm unboxing it. So I was using the one I just showed you that I purchased last year. I'll say for the most part, I really enjoy Zealsound microphone. I didn't have any issues with it, and it's interesting because when I was recording, I actually didn't realize that and it says it on their Amazon page. It's a noise cancellation type of something that's built into the actual microphone, and I didn't realize it because when I was recording, I was like, wow, I don't hear any white noises in between me not speaking. I didn't hear any white noises. So to further ado, let's get into the unboxing, and then I'll come back and give you some of my thoughts of the microphone. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what comes in the package. It's really packaged real nice. They got a manual and stuff that comes with it. Let's see. Got a pop filter in the back, so when you open up the box up the back, just pull the pop filter out. It's really packaged really nice. It has a slot for the USB Type C for your headphone jack. So when you're listening to the when you're recording on it, you can use your headphone jack. See, oh, okay. Got some more stuff. Box as well. It has I believe online it said it was a 6 foot a cable, so you can put it in there. And it does say lifetime guarantee. So I'm guessing if the cable breaks, you can always email Zealsound.com and they'll send you another one. It's actually right here on the tag. Can you get that in there? There you go. So right here they have their logo on the microphone. See? And let me go ahead and plug it up so we can see what it sounds like. The Zealsound microphone, the K66B, is compatible with smartphones. Right now I'm using it on my Pixel 4a 5G. They also give you an attachment for iPhone if you have an iPhone. So if you're somebody that wants to do podcasting or live stream to Facebook or Instagram or TikTok from your phone, you can definitely do that. My wife, she last year, even this year, she would use their microphone, the Zealsound microphone, to go live on her Instagram and her YouTube as well. So it's definitely it's the microphone can be used in many different ways. Actually, the video that I'm shooting it on, recording this video, is on my Chromebook. So they're compatible with Chromebook, iPhones, Android phones, Samsung, any phone that you can think about. You can just, so if you're somebody that you don't really have it in your budget to get a full on a decent webcam or a decent camera, and you want to start shooting, hey, this video right here is recorded on my cell phone, Pixel 4a 5G. So just to kind of show you the different variations that microphone can be used. It's a very they consider everything. People who use phones, if you're a Chromebook user, if you use a Mac, if you use a PC, I'm sure you could probably even use it with a tablet. I could probably use it on my tablet because my tablet has a you plug it into the cell phone jack of your cell phone or your tablet, and on my cell phone, I actually had to go in and choose to have it wired microphone. So you guys see Zealsound, they covered everything. Real quick, I wanted to show you all the information on Amazon if you guys were interested in purchasing the mic. There were a lot of neat stuff. It tells you right here: phone, laptop, PC, PS4, PS5 computer, phone. It has a knob with gain on the actual microphone. It has a knob you can control the headphone volume, so that when you're recording with this microphone, you can listen to and monitor how you sound. Make sure you're not too hot, not too low. And they show you right here. This right here, they show you what I was talking about with the phone. There's a picture of an iPhone, Android Type-C, plug and play. And I will say they have iPhone, iPad, Windows, Mac, and a PS4, PS5. And then it shows you the different platforms you can use this microphone on to record. Now, what they didn't have on here, which I want to say, is that Chromebook, because I use a Chromebook to record. I have a Chromebook for my daily functions and stuff, so I don't really use a PC. I'll edit this video on a PC, but for the most part, when I record my videos, I use my Chromebook. So right here, headphones. Got a picture of the mute. If you want to silence the microphone, they have a controller knob right here for the volume, headphone, and it also has an echo too. But I don't really use the echo feature, so I didn't really want to. I guess I could demonstrate that before the video ends. But right here, let me find it. Right here, it says suppress unwanted background noises. So like I said before, I didn't even realize that when I wasn't talking on the microphone that it wasn't picking up the background noises, which is unusual for condenser microphones. So that's one thing that I do appreciate about Zealsound as well. And right here, and this right here is the microphone I was telling you about that I was using during the unboxing that I bought last year. So this right here is the one that I bought last year that I was using in the unboxing video. So yeah, good stuff. They have a Facebook page. If you're interested to view more of their products right here, you can go and view their Facebook page as well. They have more products and stuff. If you're interested in some of their other products, I really enjoy Zealsound. I think they make great products. The microphones that I bought from them, I haven't had any problems with them, so I definitely will be shopping with them again. Before I give you my conclusions, I wanted to play with the echo button a little bit, like I said I would when I was doing the screen recording. Hello, 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 hello. Let me cut it off now. Yeah, I don't really. I mean, I guess if you're somebody who sings, that's something you would use. But for me, for the most part, I wouldn't have any need to use the echo. Like I said before, my conclusions is that I bought this one last year, Zealsound. When I got the opportunity to get my hands on the K66B, I said, why not? And again, there was no need for me to hesitate because they make great products. Now, conclusion, as I stated before, I have used this on my PC during Zoom calls or dual calls, but like I said before, I mainly use a Chromebook. I have an Acer 317, so it's a 17.3 inch screen on my Chromebook. So I mainly record all my videos I do, even for my podcast on my Chromebook, and I use Logitech StreamCam for my on my podcast, and I use the Zealsound microphone. So for me, it's a no-brainer that I would purchase the microphone. They're affordable. I know on the video I did last year when I bought the black one, I was saying that a lot of people, I guess you could kind of compare them to a Blue Yeti, but I think that they're more affordable. I think you get the same quality and sound. And I realized also too during the video that I might have been speaking too close, because usually when I record using the microphone, I have it like sitting down right here, and I'll just talk. But I also realized that, you know, with condenser microphones, sometimes if you do that, they also pick up more in the sound, more of the sound in the room. And I also saw on one of the Amazon reviews that somebody said that they picked up a lot of white noise. I'm like, no. Usually, when you use condenser microphones, just remember that you don't want to turn the volume up too high, because then they're very sensitive. So then you pick up more noises in the room. See, I have my volume between 0 and between half, so I have it very low. It's not very hot at all. I don't have my volume very high. When you put it, start turning your volume up on condenser microphones, you run into the problem of picking up more noise in the background, and that's not what you want. Which is why I have it low and I have it closer to my mouth, so that I don't have to speak louder if it's far away. So that's just one thing that I realized that I prefer doing. Again, Zealsound K66B. I would definitely purchase it. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to it on Amazon, and also leave a link to their Facebook page if you want to check out more of their other products. Again, I would recommend them as a company. This is the second microphone that I've got from them. The fact that I got another microphone from them proves that they make good products. Again, it sounds great. You can't beat the price. Great quality, and it probably feel like if you dropped this, it probably wouldn't even break, because it's I don't want to say it's metal. It feels like it's metal, but it's more like a plastic metal, like a plastic metal feel. But if you drop this, it ain't breaking. It ain't breaking. So again, Dale from MDMD Reviews. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video. Found it to be useful, informative. Until next time, peace.